Yeah, we on live. Lakshmi, start.
Yes, sir. Good morning. I am Lakshmi Mandi from Rusika team. And this beautiful morning, I have two wonderful guests with me. First of all, I would like to introduce Dr. Nidhi. And she is a guest from California and she's the founder of Kala Arts. And I have one another special guest. Everyone knows him, the founder of Rusika, Mr. Doman Tudu. So let me introduce them to all of you and yeah, let's start it. So, hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Hello.
morning,
Yeah.
Lakshmi. Good morning, Domin. Nice to see
Good
you.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of.
Ah,
So
how have you been doing, ma'am?
I'm good. We are doing well, and it was actually very. I mean, it was quite surprising when Domain. I have been seeing Domain's work for quite a long time, and he was my student, and I am in touch with a lot of my students via, of course, social media. And I see their amazing work, and some of these students have really done so well in their career, and I am so proud of them, and I'm proud of Domain, the what kind of work he's doing. And when he asked me that should I be uh, can I talk on behalf of Baha magazine for tribal fashion, I said, of course, that is my. It will be. It is pleasure is mine. I mean, I am really happy to be part of this, and thank you, Suman, for hosting and conducting this forum.
So, ma'am, how do you know Mr. Doman?
Yeah, so
How do
I
you
was
communicate it?
yeah. So it's a I think long history domain. I should not say long, otherwise he will feel that he has become elderly. But yes, I think 2004 batch domain is from NIFT Bangalore. I was that time we
Yeah.
right, yeah, and that time NIFT Bangalore was a small. I mean, we were very few faculties that time. Now it is a big institute with lot many courses and lot many subjects there. But that time I remember Domain is one of the students of 4-year graduation program from Fashion Technology, and we were new faculties there during that time. I think 1-2 years old faculty. So the association is long. I have must have taught Domain few subjects, and I know, I mean, most of his batchmates and uh, um, my students from that time and later on also are doing amazing work in various areas of fashion industry. So this is how
Okay,
I know
ma'am.
him.
Okay. So, Doman, sir, what do you have to say about ma'am? You're meeting her after a long time
Ma'am,
through a
first of
live.
all, Nidhi ma'am, I'm very thankful that you have joined us. And as you told me that you are viewing like all the students who you taught them, and it's like great journey with what I have learned from NIP. We are from like tribal based background, and we don't know about the fashions. And like during the college time, I like completely out of mind that where I am, because I don't have any skill related to fashion. But gradually, a lot of input came from a lot of faculty, and gradually after 4 years, we I learned so many things from. And now whatever like I have done related to Rusika and Baha magazine, like initiative of tribal girls and the fashion, giving inputs to the fashion industry to tribal community, all because of what I had learned during the college times. So now, after 10 years, like my skills has grown up, and now in the back end, ma'am, around 300 tribal women are there who are directly connected with us, and we are giving direct empowerment to them. So as well as we have a team member of like 14 members, those are like direct indirectly employed with us. As well as like 2017 I got recognized by Stand Up India, like as a great one of the best initiative startup in Jharkhand. And on behalf of that, I got incubation from KIT TBI. It's one of the best institute in Eastern Territory of India.
Oh,
So they funded me 20 lakh rupees to grow my business. So from that, my entire journey, like something outstanding. And recently, uh, 2020, I got funded by SDFC. Like they gave me a grant of 25 lakh rupees. So this is a two-way programs. Like I'm giving empowerment to the tribal women, and as well as the government is recognizing me, and a lot of CSR fundings are coming to my territory, ma'am. So
oh,
whole because of that, I can able to do all the activity.
that is amazing. That is a good journey, and I am really not only me, anybody from NIFT and my colleagues, my ex-colleagues, they must be really proud of you, Domain, what you are doing. Especially, I remember that time. I think Dr. Vibhavari Kumar, Yashoda Kumari, Jonali Vajpayee, and Mohan Kumar. We were the few faculties during that time when your batch started, and I am assuring you, all of them must be feeling so proud of you today when they are seeing that the kind of journey you have.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, recently we registered one more company, ma'am, Rusika Beverage Private Limited, ma'am. So soon we going to launch, ma'am, one of the product that's called Nutra Beverage. Is a combination of alcohol, energy, and medicinal hub. Is made out of mahua. Mahua is kind of flower from tribal territory.
Okay.
So is a kind of alcoholic drink. So is a combination will come, ma'am. So probably June or by August we will launch our product.
So this initiative is woman-oriented initiative, or it is even men folks are also involved in
Ma'am,
this?
both can join us, ma'am. Both can join us, ma'am.
All right.
So like initial, like we will set up our own factory. The cost will come around two CR approximately. So a lot of investors they have joined handed on this project, ma'am. So like hope we will do the better, ma'am.
Oh, definitely, definitely. You have quite a bright future, definitely. So, and I see this wonderful young
Thank
girl
you.
in front of us hosting and this program, and it shows the kind of work you are doing and the kind of leadership you are, cultivating amongst youths. So I'm really impressed by all this.
Yes, ma'am. What do you have to say about Rusika and the
Thank you,
work
ma'am.
they are doing for tribal
You're
community?
welcome. Yes, Lakshmi, you are saying something.
Yes, ma'am. I was saying, what do you have to say about Rusika and the work they are doing for our tribal community?
Oh, that's what I said. I am really gaga about it. I mean, I was impressed. I thoroughly saw what the domain is doing, and his work is really, really impressive. And the kind of work, it is not only about enterprise. Normally, when we do any student, his future and his dream is always to become successful, and the success is always determined by the kind of money you are making, kind of position you are in. But for me, as a faculty, for a teacher, and for a mentor, I somehow feel that success is the yardstick of success is not only determined by the kind of money you are making, but the kind of impact you are having on your society. And that what Domain is doing, he is having an impact, and that is really, really wonderful. So having impact is something which makes you different from others. Everybody earns money, but if you have an impact in the society, that makes you different, and Domain is doing a wonderful job in that area. So kudos to
Thank you, ma'am.
Domain about in this.
Thank you, ma'am. Since you stay in California, which is already developed in all the things and varieties, so what do you think about the growth of fashion in India and about a tribal
Yeah. So
fashion?
when Domain approached me, I did think about it, and I have collected few of the examples of there is so much scope in Indian tribal fashions and Indian tribal girls in particular. So I would like to share few screens and would like to tell you about, of course, talking about the global stage, what is in California or US, what is the scenario, and what is in India. We will we will we will conclude it by doing that. But let's talk about what already is in India. Let me share a screen to just give viewers some examples and. So I'm sharing it if you can allow me. Yeah, thank you so much. So I
Yeah.
understand. So when you are talking about Indian tribal fashion, Lakshmi, I would definitely tell you know that more than 500 tribes in India, located in remote areas, all of them have distinctive cultures and traditions, right? But all of
Yes.
them have a great impact on fashion industry. Knowingly, unknowingly, how much they are contributing, I just cannot say. Every time when I enter in Fab India, I am amazed by the kind of craft and art they have. The disappointing part is that they don't know that this is their contribution. They are not the ambassadors of that thing. Someone else, they are not face of their art. They are not face of their design, right? But the kind of art which is depicted in Indian fashion scenario, not only domestically but also in global scenario, it is immense. There are no words for that. So not only that, if we see global scenario, if you can see my screen, you will find that various designers in history, in past, and in today also, they have used tribal designs to showcase their design ideas. So, be it Stella Jane or be it Donna Karan or so many other designers, and I just pulled up few things and given a photo credits for their artwork because it was an academic conference. So, they have taken, and we in India should understand the strength of tribal art and tribal design. So definitely, it is not only limited to India, but in global scenario, it has impacted. It has tribal fashion industry has great influence. So, do you want to further explore about this? Is
Yeah.
one aspect.
Ma'am,
One
I'd like to add.
Yes, yes, please, Doman.
Yeah, ma'am. I would like to add few things, ma'am. Like,
Yes,
since I belong to a tribal Santhal tribal community, ma'am, so we have our own way of lifestyle and the culture and the art. So, in like there is a festival called Sorai. So during is October or like September, October, during that time, we celebrate a Sorai festival. So that time, ma'am, all the villagers, like village ladies, they do like a wall color across their village. So individual lady, they put like mud color on the wall. So they unknowingly they follow the trend and forecast of the colors. So it's a beautiful color combinations, and usually they do a lot of activity on color combinations. What you taught us, ma'am, color forecasting, color trend, color design. So they do all these things, ma'am. So amazing. Like when I saw the artwork, what like is like a lot of designer take an inspiration out of that, ma'am. So
of course.
like right now, like as per our like dictionary, we follow the Pantone chips for the color forecasting. But if you go in the village area, so they have already a Pantone chips. We can follow the trend and design for them.
Yes, yes. So that is the beauty of domain traditional craft of India. I mean, if different, that's what I said. More than 500 tribal regions. All of them are designers in their own sense. They are not. They have not gone to the formal education, but in their own sense, they are designers. Nobody can beat the kind of color combinations they do. Nobody can beat the kind of designs they make. But the problem is that they don't understand that they are equivalent to those designers, those high flying designers, because of whatever the environment and not those many opportunities given to them. But see Rajasthan, the color, vibrant color combination to those northeastern parts, very other kind of tones, and Orissa and Bihar and Bhagalpur and I don't know. I mean, I was a great scholar of traditional Indian textiles, and I am a great admirer of traditional Indian textiles, and that's why I'm telling you. Whenever I come to, whenever I visit India, I definitely go to Fab India and Global Desis, and all these I see those tribal arts, and those artisans have done a brilliant job, but the brand name is not representing them at all. It is not. It is not. And this is a high time that we should understand, and people should be empowered enough to understand that there should be a brand ambassador of their products, and companies should actually hire these kind of models and these kind of icons to represent those crafts. Simple thing is that if I am, if this particular craft is mine, I should be given an opportunity to represent. I should be an icon for that. Why anybody else should be? Of course, brands are run by, brand image, but those brand image can be created, and that image can be created only when our girls will understand that how much strength they have. So that there is an issue of a self-image here, right? So that is what we should definitely discuss up in this particular.
मैम, आपको मैं कुछ चीज शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। अभी
Yes.
रिसेंटली रांची में हमने बाहर मैगजीन का ऑडिशन लिया, और वहाँ की कुछ ट्राइबल्स गर्ल्स ऑडिशंस के टाइम में उन्होंने कहा कि हमारा स्किन कलर डार्क है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि हम फ्रंट नहीं आ पा, लोगों के साथ अपनी बातें नहीं रख पाते हैं। तो इस तरह की चीजें उन्होंने कही, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि यार, हमें तो भगवान ने बनाया है, जैसे है वैसे ही है, लेकिन आज के रेट में हमारे स्किन कलर का जो इंटरनेशनल डिमांड है, इनफैक्ट बड़े डिजाइनर्स एंड बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज ट्राइबल मॉडल्स एंड ट्राइबल आउटफिट या ट्राइबल चीजों में आ रहे हैं। और उनको मैं एड ऑन किया कि पूरे 2020 में कोरोना ने बहुत इम्पैक्ट दिया, हर कम्युनिटीज को, हर बिजनेस को, सबको कोलैप्स किया, लेकिन एक कम्युनिटी है जिन्होंने कोरोना को इफेक्ट नहीं कर पाया, वो है ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी। उनमें इनहेरेंट इतनी क्वालिटीज थे, चाहे वो फूड के मामले में हो, उनके लाइफस्टाइल के मामले हो, सोशल डिस्टेंस के मामले हो, या कल्चर के मामले हो, ट्राइबल हर चीजों में कम्युनिटी से बहुत फार रहा है। तो ये कोरोना ने बताया कि ट्राइबल लाइफस्टाइल इज अ फार बियॉन्ड देन अदर कम्युनिटी, उनसे सीखना चाहिए। तो चीजों को हमने बोलता है कि आप अपने आप में प्राउड फील करो कि यू आर समथिंग दैट ग्लोबल शुड रिकॉग्नाइज यू। तो जब तक आप स्टैंड आउट नहीं होंगे, तो कैसे आप फ्रंट में आओगे?
Exactly. Actually, body shaming, body shame, not realizing your own worth is not only limited to tribal community domain. I would definitely tell you this, that it is not limited to complexion, racial things. This is worldwide. This is everywhere, and that one of the we all have grown up in the same culture of body shame. Most of us might have even realized that we ourselves pass moral judgment of our own bodies. We think we are fat, we think we are dark, we think we are that, right? So our existence, ethics, or humanity should make up our personality, not how we appear. What is our humanity? What is our ethics? What is our existence? What we are contributing in this society should formulate our personality, but it doesn't happen in our society, right? And one of the reasons is that in third world countries where Britishers have ruled, I can understand that fair skin has got lot of this thing, that they are, because they have ruled us, the fairer skin has got that advantage, and we, because we were ruled by them, we felt that this is the more superior color. It is now time we should break out the body cons associating with fashion and guilty. It has to stop now. We should understand that this is a beautiful color, and you are right. These in US we see the screen which you can see. This is our natural color, and people pay lots of money to get this complexion. They do body tan solutions and stuff, and our own girls who have such a beautiful color, they feel that, oh, we are they feel ashamed of that color, because they feel that that color is little darker than, whether it is a dark color, where colors are color and they all are nice. Color, that the whole spectrum is that beautiful because it has so many colors. And Indian complexion has an advantage. We have lot of range of complexions, right? Even in browns we have It's beautiful. Each and every color is beautiful, and it is time that our girls should understand. They should welcome. They should think that whatever we have, our existence is not governed by just by color, and the color which we have is a beautiful color. And you know how that, and this fashion which you are doing, Domain, is a one thing which I somehow can empower these girls, absolutely. Because although it is a saying that you should not judge book by its cover, but in our society, if we have to make a first impression, cover and packages are important, and so is clothing. So if clothing wise, and when you said that they should not wear sleeveless dress, or they should not wear mini skirt, was that just because of color, or that was because of social conditioning that girls should not be wearing this because they can be objectified, or they can be uh, considered not appropriate? So what are the reasons for the girls, or both? I just wanted to know, when you came across those girls, what were the reason? Was it only
Ma'am,
the complexion, or was it social upbringing also, that girls should not be wearing those kind of dresses?
ma'am, majority is the skin color.
Oh, it's a skin color, not because
Skin color, ma'am.
okay, not
Yeah.
because the society 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 will
No.
think that it is because of sexualization or objectifying female bodies in the society. That's not the concern here. Here it is only the complex. So
No.
that's a
No,
baseless
ma'am.
for me, and everybody should understand. It is a baseless uh, concern. They should not even think about it. We have icons. We have dark toned skin icons in fashion industry, and if you see, this color is celebrated. This color is celebrated throughout. I mean, we should be confident and uh, to adorn this color. None of the girls there should understand, if somebody's if your girls whom you have encountered this thing, if they are listening to me, try to understand that God has given you a beautiful color. You have all the ability to make mark in the society by whatever activity you do, if that activity is in positive, towards a positive direction. Color should not stop you in achieving anything, not at all. You see,
Thank you.
I'm in America, and let me now speak this in Hindi, because I think that will be a better thing to do.
Yes, please.
uh,
Yeah.
कितने सारे सीईओज हैं आज की डेट में इंडिया अमेरिका में. सो मेनी सीईओज. गूगल सीईओ, एडोबी, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, ऑल ब्राउन कलर इज छाया हुआ है, ब्राउन कलर अमेरिका में. अगर वो लोग ये सोचने लगे कि नहीं 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 नहीं, हम तो ब्राउन है, हमारा तो रंग सफेद नहीं है, इसलिए हम नहीं आगे बढ़ सकते, तो कुछ होता ही नहीं. अमेरिका में आज की डेट में ब्राउन कलर छाया है. We all are browns. Brown chaya hai. See Microsoft CEO, Adobe CEO, Facebook CEO, all of them, right? So we should be confident. The confidence is only one thing which will take us. If we have ability, we should not worry about our this thing. I say brown is a beautiful, most popular drink. What is most popular drink today in this world? Starbucks ka coffee.
Ye-
So we are blessed with
Yes, ma'am.
we are blessed with that color. A lot of coffee
Yes.
flavors, caramel and cappuccino, and this color and that color. Lot of shades we have. So don't worry, we have the best Starbucks menu in our skin tone, and that is celebrated today. So they should not worry at all.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lakshmi?
Ma'am, yes, sir. Ma'am, I would like to ask one more question to you.
Yeah.
That there is a misconception about short clothes,
Hmm.
like models wear short clothes. So, is it necessary for them to wear short clothes, or designers intentionally make them short?
No. That is nothing like that. So this is what I was wanting to ask from Domain. So okay, so short clothes. If short clothes clothing is also a problem, or a body revealing thing is also a problem, it is a topic of debate, not only within your community and society domain, and whoever is listening to me, it is everywhere. What happened was that from long back we have our culture. We have grown in a culture where it was we were realized that if you reveal, if you wear a small skirt, or if you wear body revealing, you are showing your sexuality, and it is not an appropriate thing to do. It was so it was never, it was always demanded from a girl to behave in a certain manner. But things have changed now. Things have changed. Girls should understand. Okay, your question that why designers are designing it. Designers are Lakshmi, designers are designing things which will sell. They will not design
Yeah.
things which will not sell. If the fashion trend is such, if international designers are designing stuff like that, similarly in how in a domestic level also designers will follow those lead, because people want to do that. Media is nowadays, because of internet, everybody globally, everybody is so much aware what is happening in New York, what is happening in California, what is happening in Tokyo, what is happening in Paris, and what is happening in New Delhi or Bangalore. Everybody knows everything. So you cannot hide people, or you cannot force them or stop them from not buying certain things. So if the demand is there, designers will design those kind of things. So designers don't have any intentions to make clothes which are body revealing. They are making what people want. But the second question, so yes, designers are not intentionally doing it. There can be costumes which are totally covered, and which are totally covered, if you can see, and they are beautiful. There will be a designs which will be little body revealing, and that is beautiful, because it is all demand and supply, and not only demand and supply. I would say it has, of course, designed. Designers are designing things for what? For market, right? For market. But to answer your second question, that they are hesitant to wear those kind of, that is because of, I'm saying that culturally we are grown in that kind of society, and we have to stop these. We have to break out of these body cons, and we should just not feel bad about it. We should strongly understand that in particular scenario, things will not look bad if it is done in very aesthetically and in very nice sense. I can give you an example. Like for example, a bathing suit, right? A swimsuit. You can wear in a swimming pool. It looks absolutely all right. But the same swimming suit, you cannot go for a shopping. You cannot wear that and go for a shopping. It will not look right. So in right condition, in right forum, right kind of dress has its own aesthetics, and we should not mind it. If somebody is perceiving it in a wrong manner, it is their problem, not the person who is wearing it. So girls should not see that designers are specifically doing this because they no, 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 that's not that. They are doing it because that's a demand. That's their market demand, and they will design those kind of things. And uh, mostly they should not hesitate to do this. And again, I will say this thing, Lakshmi, that morality, dress morality, is very social and regional thing. A thing like this can be, a complete veil can be morally right for in certain societies, and these kind of dresses will be right for certain societies, and certain societies it is absolutely fine. But till the time we are in a middle path in our own society, our society in India largely is quite forward society, I would say. So mostly I think our girls have to come out of their own crutches, from their own thinking that people are thinking like that. So if they don't think about that, people are thinking, and they are confident to wear that, they are confident in their own skin, they should not worry about it at all. So that is what I would
थैंक
say.
यू। अब मैं एक और बात ऐड करना चाहता हूँ। जो भी व्यूअर्स हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस आते हैं मन में, तो आप हमसे शेयर कर सकते हैं। हम लोग मैम है ऑनलाइन, तो वो आपके साथ बातचीत कर सकती है। लक्ष्मी, नेक्स्ट। लक्ष्मी।
Ma'am, yes, sir. Ma'am, can you say in brief what are the
हाँ।
scopes and opportunities tribal girls can get if they come into fashion?
Yes, so there are a lot of scopes. I mean, I would just give a few steps. I will definitely, one second. I actually wanted to show you few slides before, when we were talking about self-image and things like that. So now, what are the scope and opportunities? The incredible tribal fashion trends in India is, I cannot tell you more, that nowadays people, and when Domin told me that this, because of COVID, what all things happened, and it has not even touched the tribal people. So definitely there is some strength there, and that strength is not only limited to food and health and all those kind of behavior, right? It is overall lifestyle. People are looking forward to have that kind of lifestyle. Indian tribal make up the meaning of fashion in today's global scenario. India has rich tribal culture, which is providing a new fashion statement in India, not only in India, in global scenario. It's traditional tribal costume, tribal jewelry, which are becoming popular in fashion in today's world. Now, if my things are becoming popular in today's world and I don't know my opportunities and my scope, then there is something that we have to learn. If my things are becoming popular, if my things are becoming trendy, I should become brand ambassador of my products. I should be modeling my products. I should be producing my products. I should be um, uh, doing quality controls, and I should be conveying my products. So, when we talk about scope and opportunities, not only in the production field, when it comes to a producing things, in a designing field, in fashion modeling field. Now, this more comes under all fashion imaging and communication, and the thing which you are doing, journalism and communicating ideas. Everywhere there is a scope, and not only in India, there is more demand in Western countries for this kind of work, because Western fashion in India, mostly we cannot compete with it. We cannot, because there are already established design houses in Western countries. We have our strength in these ethnic fashions. We have strength in these tribal fashions. And girls belonging to these communities should really understand their power, should really understand the scope of this industry, because these tribal folks are the ones who are changing the landscape of fashion industry globally and in India. They are bringing woven textiles, latest fashion trends, patterns, and what he was talking about, wall art and this thing. Designers are taking inspiration from that. If known designers are taking inspiration from that, we in our house, why can't we promote it, and why can't we take inspiration? And so there is a lot of immense scope of that. If you think that you will become promoters of your own artwork, promoters of your own things, it will empower you financially. It will empower you as a uh, you will become an icons. You don't need Bollywood celebrities, or you don't need known models to showcase your products. You have your own. You have a beautiful skins, beautiful girls, beautiful boys, everything. And when you promote yourself, your product, yourself, that has authenticity. That's not fake. That somebody is advertising who doesn't even understand what that product is. Yeah, you will have that convincing power that I belong to this particular community, and see, this is how many options we can provide to the global fashion industry to take inspiration. So definitely there is a lot of scope, Lakshmi, and people should actually, it is important to be empowered. And
Ma'am,
doing a great job in that area.
ma'am, one of the viewers, Ashok Hasda, just ask you a question, ma'am. Why are you following the Western trends, even though we have so much inside India to look at? Why there is so much for the Western influence in Indian fashion industry? So he would like to most understand, ma'am, why we are following the Western culture society when India have own like taste and
Yeah, yeah.
fashion. So he would like to understand,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
why designer are following the trends and forecast?
Okay, so my answer to this is that, as I told you, designing is done based on demand and supply. What customers and consumers are wanting, accordingly, producers will produce that. Today, if we are not empowered and if we don't understand the value of our own culture and beauty, and we just blindly, as a consumer, I am copying Western this thing, my shopkeeper will give me that product only. And this is the reason, because the consumers are wanting and blindly copying the Western designs. Uh, 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 Producers and designers are making and taking influence from that. If they start doing take influence, if um, these designers will start getting influenced, or if they take inspiration from the local things, they are not sure whether their products will be sold or not, and therefore there is a definitely demand to empower our folks to understand the value of our value of our what products and our ethnicity and our things. And so the simple answer is, people are following or are influenced by Western culture because that is what people are wanting to have, right? Just go to any village in India. If you ask, one costume you want to wear is jeans and t-shirt, and that's the fact of the matter. If jeans and t-shirt is what I want, nobody cares whether it is who will take influence on jeans from our this thing, right? So that's the thing. That's a bitter truth, but that's the truth. But the point is not that here we are living in a global scenario. It's like a global village. I told you, like, what is happening in California, you can see that. What is happening in Bangalore, I can see that. What is happening anywhere in this world, everybody can see. And we are constantly evolving and getting influenced from each other, and it is not a bad thing also, right? We learn from each other. So Western world is taking influence from
Thank
our own culture and our patterns and our designs and our tribal fashion. We are taking influence. So it is not, we should not only criticize about it, that why they are doing it. We have become like a villagers. It's a global village phenomena. We are in a global village. We are together. जैसे गांव में होता था ना, एक घर की बात दूसरे घर में पता चलती थी, वैसे ही आज है। कैलिफोर्निया की बात बेंगलोर वाले को पता होती है, बेंगलोर वालों की बात रांची को पता होती है, रांची की बात टोक्यो को पता होती है। इट्स लाइक अ ग्लोबल विलेज सिनेरियो। सो वी शुड नॉट फील इसके घर में क्या खाना बन रहा है, अगले दिन हमारे घर में बनेगा, दैट्स ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट। वी शुड नॉट, वी हैव टू डेफिनेटली
you, ma'am.
कंपीट। खाना भी तुम बनाओ, हम ही तुम्हारा खाना नहीं बनाएंगे। सो दैट शुड बी देयर। सो उसके लिए हमको अपना स्ट्रांग बनना है, हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स होने हैं, हमारा वो होना है कि वो हमारा खाना भी खाएं, हम ही उनका खाना ना खाएं। तो गलत नहीं है आपका जो व्यूअर पूछ रहा है ये क्वेश्चन, मैं कहूंगी डोंट टेक इट इन अ नेगेटिव मैनर। थिंक हम अब एक गांव है, इंटरनेट ने हमें गांव वाला बना दिया है, हम सबके घर में झांक सकते हैं और हमको जो अच्छा लगता है वो हम कर लेते हैं।
मैम रिसेंटली मैम लाइक 2020 हमने मिसेस को फर्स्ट टाइम ऐड किया बाहर मैगजीन में, और मिसेस में हमने उषा मुर्मू को एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया, उषा मुर्मू मैम को। तो उसने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए कि व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर। मैंने उनको यही बताया कि आप एक इंडियन आइकन बनते जा रहे हो, पीपल विल रिकॉग्नाइज यू। ब्रांड एम्बेसडर कोई किसी को बनाता है तो एक उसके पीछे कोई इंटेंशन होता है, बिकॉज वो सी रिप्रेजेंट द कल्चर, ब्यूटी एंड एवरीथिंग टू द पीपल। तो उसको बनाने का मतलब मेरा मेन इंटेंशन वही था मैम।
मैं सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल तुम्हें एक सक्सेसफुल ब्रांड का देती हूँ, एमडीएच मसाला। हम बहुत छोटे हुआ करते थे, एमडीएच मसाले का पैकेट देखा आपने? उसमें वो अंकल जी का वो ही इज ब्रांड एम्बेसडर। उस जमाने में एक सक्सेसफुल प्रोडक्ट में शाहरुख खान, ऐश्वर्या राय, ऑल बॉलीवुड आइकॉन्स ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स हुआ करते थे हर प्रोडक्ट के। एमडीएच ने अपने प्रोडक्ट में उन्हीं, वो जो एंटरप्रेन्योर है वो ही हमेशा अपना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है एंड बिकेम सक्सेसफुल। दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट वाज नोन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पिक्चर ऑफ दैट अंकल इन ऑन दैट। एंड एमडीएच इज अ इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड। हम यहाँ भी वो एमडीएच के मसाले खाते हैं। अभी रिसेंटली उनकी डेथ हुई तो इट वाज अगेन अ डिस्कशन, एंड मिसली मुझे याद भी है when I used to teach orientation of fashion designing in NIFT, so many times when I used to ask them to do certain assignment, like even for making a mood board or something, most of the time these kids used to get influenced, like a client board. They will take uh, these Western images. And then I used to say that don't we have a domestic market? Why are those icons cannot be changed? Right? So ये तो हमें अपना empower करने की जरूरत है. Influence होना गलत नहीं है, मगर influence होने के चक्कर में अपने को खत्म कर देना गलत बात है. Influence हो जाओ.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Rashmi,
मगर इसलिए
let-
आपने जो करा, जो आपका जो क्वीन है, ब्यूटी क्वीन आपने बनाई एंड एम्बेसडर बनाया, a brilliant act, right? Because she is an icon of that product. She can take that product and people can be convinced because she understands that product. So you did it right.
Rashmi,
Rashmi, I think, has
okay.
gone.
Rashmi,
No, but Charger.
Yes, sir.
yeah, Rashmi.
Sorry, I just went to bring my charger, so sorry for this.
That's all right.
Ma'am,
Okay, next, Rashmi.
From being in tribal community, we face lots of criticism for being into fashion. As I can take the example of Baha magazine of Rusika team. Rusika faces lots of criticism for bringing fashion into tribal. So, what do you need to say about this
So criticism from whom?
from people,
No,
especially from tribal people?
from tribal people. Oh. Any movement, any new movement in a society.
मैम मैं बेसिकली ये बताऊं कि हमारे मैम इट्स नॉट क्रिटिसिज्म मैम, हमारे कम्युनिटी में दो अलग मतलब जैसे होता है, जैसे आप यूएस में हो एज अ डेवलप्ड कंट्री, इंडिया एज डेवलपिंग कंट्री, तो हम ट्राइबल्स और थोड़े पीछे हैं. तो सडनली कोई नया कल्चर अडॉप्ट करना या उसमें जाने में हमें दिक्कतें होती है, प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. तो बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट है कि उनको क्यों हम अडॉप्ट करें, क्यों कल्चर को एक्सेप्ट करें. बट हमारा ये कहना है कि मैम, या हमारा ये कहना है मैम कि सिंस वी आर ऑल्सो टू ब्यूटीफुल मैम, हम क्यों नहीं जो बड़े प्रोडक्ट्स है, ब्रांड है जिसमें लाइक घड़ी, डिटर्जेंट पाउडर, ये सब प्रोडक्ट में हम क्यों नहीं ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बन सकते हैं उनके. क्योंकि हम जब तक अपने आप को प्रेजेंट एंड शोकेस नहीं करेंगे एज पर देयर पैरामीटर, जो कंपनीज की पैरामीटर है, तब तक वो हमें एक्सेप्ट क्यों करेंगे. तो धीरे धीरे अभी लोग समझने लगे हैं, देयर एक्सेप्टिंग बाहा एज अ बिगर वे. बट मैम इनिशियल फेज में वी फेस सम हिकअप्स, तो उन्हीं के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं कि आपकी नजर में, यू आर इन यूएसए, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, इज इट द राइट वे, एंड व्हाट all need to be like correction need to be taken care.
Absolutely right thing to do. And कोई भी जब नया काम होता है, forget about doing such a big thing. Of course, the Indian traditional communities and tribal community, we are conservative people, right? And it is difficult. Forget about people opposing you for fashion. People here in America are opposing wearing mask. वो अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं पर वो मास्क नहीं पहनना चाहते, क्योंकि कोई नई चीज आती है तो हर उसका इनकार होता ही होता है. तो उसकी तो चिंता ना करो आप लोग, बिल्कुल भी चिंता मत करो उस चीज की. मैं बता रही हूँ सिंपल, पता है कोविड होता है, पता है वायरस इतना ज्यादा उसकी फैल रहा है, मगर नहीं पहनना. जिन लोगों को अपोज करना है, राइट. सो कोई भी नई चीज होती है लाइफ में, उसको एकदम से 100% लोग स्वीकार कर लें, दैट इज नॉट possible. So don't worry, and you should not stop your good work because your intentions are right. You are wanting to empower your society. You are wanting that those people should be empowered not only financially but producing their craft, but also becoming brand ambassadors of their product by modeling it, by promoting it, right? So in a way, you are doing a good job in a society. And what Domin is saying is absolutely right, because when you have to target your market, when you have to expand it beyond your community, it has to follow certain parameters in terms of quality, parameters in terms of design, parameters in terms of people who will consume those kind of products. And to do so, you have to use those parameters which everybody is using. You need modeling, you need promotions, you need those brand ambassadors to promote. Ultimately, in 5 years, 10 years, you will find that the whole community will become quite empowered. They will understand the value of their things, and they themselves will once. And another thing I would say, Domin, I think financial stability is one of the reasons. Once they see that money starts coming because of these initiatives, automatically they will become more encouraged. So money has a big power, but it takes time. So what you are doing is right, and I would definitely tell the whole community ki कोई भी अच्छा प्रयास जो आप कर रहे हो, और उसके पीछे अगर आपके कम्युनिटी का उत्थान है, उसके पीछे आपके बच्चों का उत्थान है, तो उसमें हम सबको सहयोग देना चाहिए. वी ऑल शुड contribute towards it, and it is going to empower the whole society and community.
Thank, thank you, Lakshmi. Next.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the auditions of Baha is still going on, and what do you need to tell or give them as an encouragement to tips to our tribal girls to come forward and take our tribal community into fashion to another step? So give them some encouragement tips from you.
Yeah, so I would, my first suggestion definitely is that they should break this body negative image of themselves. They should understand, first they should realize that they are beautiful ones. God has bestowed such a beauty. Their complexion is most beautiful complexion, and they have a complete menu. I said the most popular Starbucks menu they have. Don't worry about that. So first thing is they should realize that they are beautiful.
Okay.
Realizing this, that they are beautiful, is first step. Second, definitely design consultation helps. I mean, in a right, if it is a fashion show, or if it is a what type of show is you are talking about, Lakshmi? What show is coming?
Show in that this auditions for Baha, ma'am.
Audition. Oh, so you are saying that how they should be. So yes, they should have all the barriers, clothing related barriers. Of course, they should not just go. They should see the situation, and they should see what goes well with that particular situation, and they should not have any inhibition in wearing anything, because just because their skin color is darker and they cannot wear sleeveless, or they cannot wear a short skirt, they should not have those kind of mindsets. They should. Now internet is accessible, right? Internet is accessible to everyone. Go and see those global models, and go and see, just watch those things, and those kind of makeups which will highlight their accentuate their figures and features and complexion. They should just do that and try to understand that. I would, in this particular thing, I would definitely say that
मैम वन मोर थिंग मैम. मैम आपने पीएचडी किया है मैम ट्राइबल एरिया में, हिमालयाज में. सो आप उसके बारे में थोड़ा हमें शेयर कीजिए, एंड साथ में व्हाट ऑल अपॉर्चुनिटी आपकी नजर में लगता है कि ट्राइबल फैशन, ट्राइबल मॉडल्स इन ग्लोबल फॉर्मेट में क्या है. लोग उसको भी जानना चाहते हैं कि उनको लगता है कि व्हाट वी आर डूइंग ओनली मतलब एज अ कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं, बट एज अ ग्लोबल फॉर्मेट में अपकमिंग डिजाइन जो ट्राइबल को लेके है, वो कितना बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी मैम.
हाँ. So talking about my PhD, तो मैंने नेचुरल डाइस पे काम किया है. तो हमारे हिमालयन रीजन की, अपर हिमालयन रीजन की ट्राइब्स हैं, वो वुलन इंडस्ट्री में इन्वॉल्व है, और वो इंडस्ट्री डाइंग इंडस्ट्री थी. आई मीन अब गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव है, उसे रिवाइव किया जा रहा है, बट उन लोगों का ट्रेडिशनल क्राफ्ट होता था, जो एक नेचुरल डाइंग मेथड्स होते थे, वो खत्म हो रहे थे. So I did that, and almost 4-5 years I was involved with that thing. And the idea was innovative ways of finding out these dyeing method, because it was limited to a woolen craft industry. But people are actually, globally people are understanding value of these ethnic wear. अगर खाली मॉडर्न सोसाइटी की तुम बात करो, उसमें फिर कुछ रस ही नहीं रहेगा. What is there to celebrate? The tribal designs are giving lot of influence, colors, textures to the society, to this fashion, to this the whole industry. And there is lot of scope that girls should understand, and your students should understand. I would also, I would actually continue with little bit of what Lakshmi was asking me, that why it is important to wear particular kind of dress. Not, this is not just a normal talking here, domain. Research shows that clothes you wear actually changes the way you
Yes.
perform. It changes the way you perform, right? So if you wear, simple thing is,
Yes.
just watch the drama rehearsal. You play, you do dramas, right? Anybody will do drama, and they do rehearsals. The final rehearsal is called dress rehearsal. Why do they do dress rehearsal? They do dress rehearsals because when dress rehearsals, they actually try to, if they are acting like an Akbar, they feel like they are Akbar. Or if they are acting like Noor Jahan, they feel like they are, or Lakshmi Bai, they feel like they are
Ma'am.
Lakshmi Bai just by wearing those kind of costumes. So if you really want to feel what you are, clothing is, the fashion and clothing is one of the most important factors. And as I told you, your clothes tell a story about you. It's not a fashion, it's an impression. And it is, the research tells that it is a very fast paced mental process of thin slicing. It is how we continually judge books by just by cover, because everybody will not read us. हर कोई किताब नहीं पढ़ता है, right? So our first in certain
Yes.
atmosphere, just by our fashion, how those brand ambassadors are working, it makes a lot of sense. And that is what I would definitely say, that think word as a drama, you as an artist, and therefore get into the rehearsal, dress rehearsal part, and empower yourself. Because when you will change those dresses, when you will talk about your own fashion, people will talk about you. Your whole persona will change, and the world will talk about you. So it is not, it is a forward step in empowering yourself and
Uh,
accomplishing your goals. Yeah.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम. मैम जैसे अभी इस बार का बाहा मैगजीन में मैम अराउंड वी टारगेटिंग नंबर ऑफ ट्राइब्स, तो अभी हमारे पास टोटल 8 ट्राइब्स जुड़े हैं मैम. जैसे
Okay.
उरांव ट्राइब्स है, आपका हो ट्राइब्स है, संथाल ट्राइब्स है, उनके अलावा बोडो ट्राइब्स भी जुड़े हैं इस बार मैम. तो अराउंड 5 to 6 ट्राइब्स हमारे साथ इस बार कनेक्ट हुए हैं मैम. तो
Okay.
आप उन सबको एक मैसेज क्या देना चाहते हैं मैम, हाउ दे फील देमसेल्फ?
So I would say they are a group of beautiful young girls, and it is only females. The boys are also part of that group. Domin, this is a question for you. Is it only girls I'm talking to, or boys also?
मैम कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बहा, बहा जो होता है मैम, हम लोग संथाल ट्राइब में बहा इज अ नेम ऑफ फ्लावर, मतलब इज अ डिपिक्ट ऑफ फ्लावर मैम. तो
Yes.
हम चाहते हैं कि बहा मैगजीन में द ओनली स्पेस फॉर गर्ल ओनली मैम. सो
Oh,
उसमें
so
लाइक मेल्स को हम लोग अलाउ नहीं कर रहे. मे बी फ्यूचर वी कैन कम अप विद अ न्यू ब्रांड, सो उसमें हम
okay.
लोग बॉय ऐड करें.
Okay. So it's a woman empowerment initiative, and which is excellent. So I would definitely say that all, whatever tribes you are talking about and whoever is participating in this, I would, my good wishes are with them, and understand that you are beautiful people. You can take this initiative to great heights. You should be confident about yourself. I will look forward to see you in beautiful dresses, beautiful costumes representing your culture, your ethnicity, your beauty, and it will
मैम
definitely.
मैम एक
Yes.
और चीज मैम, आपने अभी उतने कंप्लीट एजुकेशंस जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग जब रहे निफ्ट में, आपने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को एजुकेशन दिया मैम. इस बीच में बहुत सारे मॉडल्स आते थे फ्रॉम बिलोंग टू फेमिना, मिस इंडिया ग्रुप्स के रहते थे. तो उनमें मतलब ऐसा क्या क्या एटीट्यूड होते हैं जो हमारे ट्राइबल लड़कियों में होना चाहिए मैम, वो एक इनपुट दे दीजिए.
So I would not say कि attitude होना चाहिए. Attitude is not a good thing कि जो उन लोगों पे attitude होता था उनसे परेशानियां होती थी. तो attitudes नहीं होना चाहिए, but I would say कि आपकी जो लड़कियों को चाहिए वो confidence चाहिए. Just confidence. एक
Yes.
confidence पे है तो उनकी ब्यूटी निखर के. बहुत सुंदर मुझे मुझे एक स्टोरी याद आ रही है, मैं आपके साथ वो करना चाहूंगी। हमारी एक मिस वर्ल्ड रही है, क्या नाम था, वेरी टॉल लेडी, आई डोंट,
युक्तामुखी,
युक्तामुखी आई थिंक।
युक्तामुखी मैम।
हाँ, युक्तामुखी,
यस,
एंड आई
युक्ता।
माइट बी लिटिल रॉन्ग, बट कुछ समय तक her I was reading her story, and she was beautiful, she was Miss World, right? But she was undergoing some domestic or some, not she was not in a best phase of her life, and she said, I started feeling that I'm so ugly. And then one day I realized, how can I be ugly? I was Miss World. So everything is in here, everything is here. If you think you are beautiful, you are Miss World. If you think you are not beautiful, even if you are a Miss World, you will feel that you are ugly. So everything is here, right? You should understand that you are beautiful, you can carry anything, and this is a great initiative. It is empowering everyone, because it's not about, I'm telling again and again, book cover
मैम,
um, tells a lot of story, but I'm saying it's more than that. Yes, Dominic.
मैम रिसेंटली रुसिका मैम अच्छे काम के लिए यूएन वुमेन ने रिकॉग्नाइज किया मैम, और उसे ह्यूमन वुमेन ने एज अ सिग्नेटरी अथॉरिटी का परमिशन दिया मैम।
Oh, that's congratulations, and that's
यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑफ वुमेन।
oh, congratulations and great. That's very
थैंक यू
nice.
मैम।
Very nice.
थैंक यू मैम। लक्ष्मी,
Yes,
लक्ष्मी।
I'm so sorry. Yes, sir. There was some
हाँ
network issues, so my light went off. Uh,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
ओके।
tell us about Kala Arts.
Oh, Kala Arts. Okay, Kala Arts and Design is an initiative of mine in US. I'm sitting on my studio only because I was just here half an hour back. That's what I told Domin that I will. So yeah, it's when I came to US 9 years back, I started because of a design background, and I have a science background also. I thought I did a little bit of marketing and web designing and stuff like that. But I'm a teacher from heart. I have taught for 20 years, 15, 18 years. So I started my this studio for fashion designing and arts, and I this is a studio which teaches fashion designing. And if you guys are on Instagram, you can follow Kala Art and fashion designing page, and you will see what I'm doing here. So yes, I am founder of this institute, and 4 years back I have started this. And yeah, it is satisfying. It nurtures my teachers' aptitude, and I collaborate with a lot of artists and designers, and someday I will collaborate with your designers and with your group also, Domin. Right? Someday we will bring
थैंक यू
your
मैम। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
California, and we will work on it, or at least we
ओके,
can
थैंक
can think of, yeah, promoting it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
लक्ष्मी।
Do, sir, are there
हेलो।
any viewers asking any questions?
यस मैम। मैम, एक पर्सन है बिमल जी, उनका कहना है, वेयर डज ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी लैक एज पर द सिस्टम लेबल पर्सपेक्टिव मैम?
Yes, and for that you are working, right? The label perspective, that means the brand, right? Brand image. Are you talking about that?
नो, नो, एज पर हिज अंडरस्टैंडिंग में वेयर ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी।
Oh, your voice is breaking.
Yes. Hello, sir.
Lakshmi, can you hear him?
No. Hello, sir.
Domin, you're frozen.
There is some network issues, I guess. That's the thing.
Yeah. Where is Domin? You are in Bangalore, and he is, where is he?
Now I am in West Bengal. I'll be back to Bangalore in some days.
And Domin?
Doman sir is in Jharkhand, I guess.
Okay. Domin, can you hear us? Okay. Did you hear what he said?
Not actually, ma'am. His voice is breaking though.
Oh,
It's
okay.
okay. Let
That's all.
him come back.
I think he was talking about some label.
Yes.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
Domin.
Hello, sir.
Domin, can you hear us? Domin, can you hear us? Domin, you're
Yes.
mute. You're mute.
Hello, sir.
Domin, you're mute. Your icon shows it is mute. Domin, you're mute. Can I
Sir,
just
you are mute.
chat him?
Yes, ma'am.
Your icon shows that you are mute. Domin, you have to see down.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Domin.
Yes.
Yes,
Hello.
Domin. Yes,
Now
Domin,
voice.
tell me. Now
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
better. Yes,
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, yeah, ma'am.
yes, Domin.
ये हम लोग फेल हो जाते हैं मैम.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Oh, Domin, if you can
मैम
chat, if you can just write
बीमल
down.
जी ये down. Okay.
If you can just
Hello,
write.
is voice audible now?
Yes.
Voice is audible now,
Ma'am, is
ma'am?
it
Yes,
audible?
it is audible. Yes, it is audible.
Yeah. बीमल वुड लाइक टू नो मैम, जैसे हमारे ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज में जो भी हम लोग काम करते हैं मैम, हमारे से गलती कहाँ हो जाती है और हमें सिस्टम में कमी कहाँ हो जाती है कि हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते मैम.
Huh. Because as I told you earlier, Domin, more than 500 tribal crafts हमारे country में है, but this sector is unorganized mostly. Not all the some areas have really done quite well. जैसे कश्मीर का क्राफ्ट है या कलमकारी आंध्र प्रदेश की है या इवन बंगाल्स के सर्टन क्राफ्ट्स जिसमें गवर्नमेंट की नजर पड़ी है, वहाँ के आर्टिजान्स ने काफी अच्छा काम किया, मगर हमारे मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्राइबल जो वो है, that is totally unorganized. And when I say unorganized, that means there is no proper way of doing things. Everybody is doing what they want to do. अगर मेरा 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 फैशन हाउस है या तुम्हारा फैशन हाउस है, तुम अपनी तरीके से कर रहे हो, मैं अपनी तरीके से कर रही हूँ, उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, एज ए कम्युनिटी हमारा कोई भला नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि हमारा एक तरीका नहीं है करने का, राइट? और हमारा तरीका क्या होना चाहिए, जो नॉर्मल ट्रेंड है, जो एक ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर का होना चाहिए, जो कि जिसमें क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस होनी चाहिए, जिसमें प्रोडक्ट की, एंड क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस इज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज वो प्रोडक्ट रिपीट जो हम जब करते हैं, तो वो रिपीट प्रोडक्ट का वो ही क्वालिटी हो, क्योंकि आज मैंने कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाया और आपको अच्छा लगा और आपने डिमांड करी उस प्रोडक्ट की, मगर अगर मेरे पास क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस नहीं है, कोई गारंटी नहीं कि कल मैं वही प्रोडक्ट आपको दे पाऊंगी, उसमें थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा. सो द सेक्टर हैज टू बिकम ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. इट शुड फॉलो सर्टेन रेसिपीज. Recipes means it has to follow certain norms and systems to sustain. So sustainability is most important thing, and uh, probably a right kind of empowered workshops to make people. It has to become an organized sector. It has to become an organizations like yours are doing brilliant job, and there are a lot of non-government organizations who in various areas are working in this area. But I understand that standardization is something which is missing, and standardization comes with quality control, and quality control comes with a lot of standard process which they should adopt, which market demands.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Lakshmi, next question.
Uh,
Lakshmi.
Ma'am, yes, yes, ma'am. I want. There is a request from you to improve us with our fashion tips for girls, for the betterment and growth for Rusika.
There is tips, fashion tips.
Yes, for the betterment and growth of Rusika.
Okay, so fashion tips. So we are talking about fashion, but fashion tips are very individual, Lakshmi. Fashion is what you can you can wear, and you can confidently carry. It's very individual thing. I can things which I can carry, maybe my daughter cannot carry that, or you cannot carry it. So it is a very, but in general, I would say respecting your own body is the most important thing which all these girls should do. And then don't mind what you are wearing. Just wear it. You will look beautiful. You will just look beautiful. As I told you, the phrase I told, that this word is like a theater, and we all are like a drama people. So unless we do a dress rehearsal, our roles will not show properly. So if we have to show our right
Oh,
role, we have to wear a right uh, costume, and then only our personality will come.
Yes.
Right.
Thank you,
thank you,
ma'am.
thank you. That's me next.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
She's Pitara questions. What?
No,
What?
not that.
Yeah.
So, from behalf of you, do you want to give any type of message to Rusika?
Oh, I have been giving that message, I think, for last 1 hour repeatedly, and my message to
As a
definitely
last
you guys
message,
is,
and also for the
you have,
viewers too.
huh?
As a last message for them, the work they are doing, and also for the viewers too, who have
Yes,
been watching you throughout this life.
yes. So my yes, I would definitely say Ritika is doing amazing job. Women empowerment is something which our country definitely in this field we want it, and Domain is doing a brilliant job in this area. The kind of I am seeing his Facebook page, and I see his posts, the kind of work he's doing. He will take this organization to great heights, and I am certain about this, that the girls who are participating, those tribal girls, one day they will understand what a beautiful girls they are, what a brilliant models they are, and they will be empowered, and they will feel nice about the kind of organization they are associated with. And I would say good luck to Domain, and good luck to Rasika. And definitely we will I will see I will see the growth. And I will definitely, from my level, if you want any consultation, or if you want any this thing, I will always be. I'm just phone. You can just text me, or you can just reach out to me anytime.
Yes, sir. So,
थैंक
Domain
यू
sir,
मैम. और मैम स्पेशली लक्ष्मी के लिए कोई टिप्स देना चाहते हैं मैम? मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन फैशन इंडस्ट्री मैम.
Lakshmi is brilliant girl. I mean, for last 1 hour I'm interacting. It is. I mean, she's a 19-year-old girl. Must be in second, third grade, third year of college,
first.
first year of college. Okay, first. Yeah, and she's doing amazing work. I mean, this if this is the girl I'm talking to, and all the girls are like Lakshmi, nobody has to worry. Then I am not needed. Nobody is needed. She is in a right path. Just go and listen to your mind, listen to your heart, and whatever you want to do, you will do amazing, because you have a conviction. You have that strength, which not everybody has. So,
Thank you.
all right.
Thank you, ma'am. My pleasure. So, Doman sir,
थैंक यू
do
मैम.
you have to say
मैम
anything?
मैम नंदी मैम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारी पूरी रुसिका टीम की तरफ से थैंक यू. आप आए मैम, अपनी ओपिनियन बताया, एंड जो भी मिसकंसेप्शंस हमारे ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज में लड़कियों को लगता है कि मॉडलिंग में क्यों आना चाहिए, किस लिए आना चाहिए, एंड व्हाट ऑल अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल इन ग्लोबल मार्केट मैम. Whatever view you have shared, thank you ma'am. And ma'am, definitely we are growing ma'am, and we are as a student we are learning. So definitely we are like our girl will be a good model tomorrow, and also Rusika will be the good brand come up in future ma'am.
Definitely. Rasika is going to be good brand. And whenever I come to India, I will be in touch with you guys, and I will see your products someday. And
Ma'am,
someday
right now we have
we'll have someday in
मैम
future.
अभी हमारा फ्यूचर मैम हमारा भी एक रिटेल आउटलेट जमशेदपुर में है मैम, एंड रिसेंटली वी टाई अप विद सिडबी एंड एसबीआई बैंक मैम. So we are exploring फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल। तो लास्ट बिफोर कोविड मैम अराउंड 10 इंक्वायरीज आई थी फ्रेंचाइजीज के लिए, सो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट। बट अभी जो है वी आर प्रोजेक्टिंग अराउंड अनदर 10 or 12 फ्रेंचाइजी बाय अक्टूबर, सॉरी बाय अप्रैल मैम। सो आप इंडिया जब तक आओगे बेबी इन इंडिया रुचिका का 10 आउटलेट हो जाएगा मैम।
Oh, that is great. And Domain, you have a social media presence. Rasika's social media presence is there in Instagram also?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Follow that. I will follow that. I am with
Both ma'am.
Kala Textiles and Fashions. I think you must have seen that. So yeah, I will follow that.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, one more thing I would like to add you ma'am. फिनाले जो रांची में कंडक्ट होने वाला उसके लिए मिस इंडिया ने से हमारी बात चल रही है, तो टुमारो probably we get the confirmation. Her name is Lopamudra Raut. She is winning crown of 2016 Miss India. वो हमारी फाइनल गेस्ट होगी और आई थिंक गर्ल्स एज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न समथिंग आउट ऑफ हर।
Yes, of course. Yes, that's good. Yeah.
एंड मैम फेमिना ग्रुप के टीम ने काफी इंटरेस्ट दिखाया है बाहा मैगजीन के मॉडल्स पर, तो उनका कहना है कि दे विल लव टू टेक देम वन और टू गर्ल्स फॉर देयर फाइनल मिस इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट मैम।
Very nice. So that's good. That's a good leap. That's good leap. So that's very nice. And my best wishes for you, Domain and Lakshmi, and congratulations for amazing work you are doing for all this for the community, for country, and for women empowerment as such.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. It was a pleasure to be here.
Okay.
Bye.
It was nice talking.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Ma'am. Thank you for your time. Yeah.
Thank you.
By
Bye.
God's grace,
Yeah.
good health.
Bye.
And
Bye. Bye. Bye.
good night, ma'am.
Good night. Good day.
Good night, ma'am.